This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 19 Demonstration-VIII. In Java, a package is a core concept for organizing and accessing classes and code. Built-in API packages can be imported and used in programs via the import statement. Developers can also create custom packages with access modifiers controlling visibility of classes and members. Creating and maintaining packages are crucial for software development. Packages enable organizing classes, accessing them, and maintaining protection levels. Classes within packages can inherit from each other, even across packages, allowing code reuse and polymorphism. Fully qualified names help avoid naming conflicts when importing classes. Our demo program showcases complex access modifications involving two packages, My Package 1, My Package 2. My Package 1 contains classes AX and the derived class I inheriting from different access specifiers like public and private govern accessibility of members from derived and non-derived classes across packages. Packages allow logical code organization and access control, while built-in API packages provide ready-to-use classes and methods. User-defined packages enable class storage and protection, with inheritance across packages enabled through access modifiers. Fully qualified names avoid naming conflicts across packages. With practice, developers can master the use of packages and access specifiers in Java, enabling better organization, reuse, and protection of code. Understanding these concepts is essential for building robust and maintainable software applications. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.